Hey guys, I'm Bailey, promotions assistant at Swinmish Casino and Lodge, and I'm here to host SwinTV for this week. Our newest promotion, Card In, Card Up, makes March a great month to play with your Players Club card. All month long, your points go farther and can help you reap the benefits of a higher Players Club card tier. Now until March 31st, use your Players Club card to play and earn points toward a higher tier than you normally might earn, and get a taste of the fun perks and benefits for 3 months starting in April. Make sure to visit our website calendar for more details and for the points breakdown for each tier. With our renovations underway, that makes more space for your favorite games. One of our newest slots on the floor is Sushi Sushi Bang Bang. Take a look.
Sushi, anyone? You won't mind the heat from the Wasabi Wilds, which are triggered when one or more wild symbols land scattered on reels 1 through 4. Don't be scared during the Monster Chomp bonus when a hungry monster suddenly appears and devours all the sushi symbols on the reels, awarding you, the player, ascending credit values for each symbol. When bonus symbols land scattered on reels 1, 3, and 5, players enter the sushi bonus and can select 6 picks from 24 spots that will either reveal a food item with a credit prize or 2 additional picks. To add even more flavor to the menu, you can win additional credits for creating specific game-themed symbol combos. A full dinner earns the highest payout. Sushi Sushi Bang Bang will satisfy your cravings for big payouts.
Make sure you check out Sushi Sushi Bang Bang the next time you're in. Before we go, it's time to head to Greg for our weekly renovation update.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's Greg Douglas coming at you with another weekly renovation update. As you can see behind me, we've got carpet down, we've got ceiling up, and we've got people moving along here getting ready for this. So on Thursday of this week, we're going to relocate our table games over into this area, and that'll be the start of what's going to be a big process for us here in the next couple weeks. The area back behind me in the sports bar, all the machines on the other side of the wall that are still back there, will get relocated into the area that'll be behind the gaming pit behind me, and then those other machines will get dropped over where the gaming pit's getting removed. So things are going to be moving around. Be flexible with us. Be fluid. That's been the word throughout our whole project, is fluidity. And we're about a week and a half away from getting those slots all up and running for you guys. Kind of in what's close to our final layout. We'll have some more tweaks. We've got a lot of new games coming online soon. And we've also got, don't forget, all our new restaurants. So come enjoy the restaurants. Come see the new layout. You're going to be blown away when you walk in the building and take a look at how big our facility is here now. So come check us out. Love to see you. Have a great week.
Thanks, Greg. That's all we have for SwimTV this week. Check back with us next Friday for more.